Okay, good morning. So today we're looking at genetics and inheritance, so how genetic traits pass from generation to generation. Just a warning before we start, I tried shooting this video and it failed halfway through. If as I go it fails again, I may have to upload this in a couple of different parts. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but if I'm giving you several different links, that's the reason why. Okay, so we already know that genes are sections of DNA that code for a characteristic. So genes control all of our traits in the body. But the first key word that's new that I want to focus on today is alleles. An allele is a different version of the same gene. So for example, eye colour. People can have various different eye colours, blue, brown, green, whatever. Those are all alleles of the eye colour gene. So if you see this term allele, that means versions of a gene, different versions of a single trait. Okay? The next key word we want to look at is dominant. An allele is dominant. We will see the trait even if somebody has the other allele. What I mean by that is we're hopefully aware that we get 2 copies of every gene, 1 from each parent. If an allele is dominant, even if the other allele is present, we will see that trait due to the way that it works. We'll look at an example of a dominant trait later on. The next key term is recessive. If there is a recessive trait, that means we will only see it if it is present twice. So if both the genes are that recessive trait. And we write dominant alleles in capitals and recessive traits in lowercase. So to make that a bit clearer, I've got an